First off, before this video gets started, I would like to thank Mr. Wiles Palladino for allowing me to get this awesome coin off of him. I'm starting to like those annex holders. Thank you, Mr. Wiles Palladino. I'm really enjoying it. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you a 2022 Philadelphia Maya Angelou reverse die gouge attributed the nesting bird. It's an MS66 Philadelphia. You might be able to see it there really faintly in the beak of the bird. There is what is a reverse die gouge, which looks like a bird, or like the bird is carrying it to a nest. And that's why my best friend, son of a silver stacker, coined it the nesting bird. He actually coined the phrase that is attributed on the coin. So it's named after him. It's his naming. And Wiles Palladino sent it into Annex and asked them if they would attribute it. And sure enough, there it is, the nesting bird. These come out of the Philadelphia rolls from the mint. They were not found in circulation. They only came out of the Philadelphia rolls from the mint packaging. So if you got a P&D set or you got a PD&S set from the mint, chances are you may have one in your rolls. May be worth checking out. I wish I could get a real good detailed photo of that, but it's not really showing up on camera. This is a gorgeous coin. Like I said, it's a 2022 Philadelphia MS66. It is authenticated. There's the obverse. And of course this is the reverse. The one that has the die gouge on it. But to have something named after you is a pretty big deal. And I was there actually when he came up with the nesting bird saying. So I feel like I'm part of it, and I think that's really cool. I'm proud to be part of it, and really happy for my buddy. But I love each and every one of you, and I hope this finds you guys safe and healthy. And you guys don't forget to check that pocket change, because you never know what you got in your pocket until you look.